This is the Sentry KX500 RGB Jumbo Mouse Pad. What a fancy looking box. It has ultra precise tracking, high speed surface, 32 inches by 16 inch supersized mouse pad, USB powered lights, rubberized non-slip bottom, color change effects. I really liked the fact that it had some of the color changing abilities on this. So let's see if this will fit on my desktop. Pretty sure we should be good, but we'll find out here in just a moment. Now you can't see this, but it's covering nearly the entire desktop here, so I'm probably gonna have to time lapse this and show the setup after I'm done. It does come along with a USB cord, so that's kind of nice. That's what's gonna end up powering it. In the top left corner, this is where it's plugged in. Here's a shot from the side here. You can see that it's taking up a good majority of my desk here. I'll have to figure out some way to maybe get it up underneath my computer so that way it's not being bunched up right here. But you can see around the outside here the coloring. You're wondering, okay, how do we change that? There's actually, this is a touch button, so we can just touch it and change out the way it looks. Has many ways we can do it, different variations. I kind of like this one, that's kind of cool. Go ahead and do this. Pretty neat. Here's a nice multicolored one. I think having the touch feature here is really neat. So I like this already. It's really cool. It'd be nice to get all of my stuff further organized. But otherwise, 2 thumbs up.